Good morning. So I'm Andrea, and that is my view every morning at my homestay. And today I will be taking you on a tour of Costa Rica, starting with our trip to the beach. Es Gallo Pinto. Sí. Yay, Gallo Pinto. Here we are in Costa Rica, getting a smoothie. It's so exciting, so exciting. Here we are in Costa Rica. Pura vida. Pura vida, mae. We're walking to the crocodiles. Everybody say hi. Oh my gosh, look at all the crocodiles. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Here we are in Costa Rica at our hostel. Oh, it's so hot. Here we are in Costa Rica, walking to the beach. Ah! We made it to the beach. Woo! Here we are in Costa Rica, enjoying the beach.